Hey VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here on our YouTube channel, senior instructor here at VectorVest. Love bringing these videos to your attention, and this week's video is going to be all about buying stocks that pay a monthly dividend. And that could be a very creative way to make money in the current market situation. Before we get started, if you're brand new to the channel, by all means hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this come out. And most of all, make sure that you hit the like button and share this content. We need to get this information out to as many people as we possibly can to show them what we're doing here at VectorVest. We do the work, you reap the rewards. All right, so Fed comes out yesterday and they say that they only raised the interest rates by 0.5% or 50 basis points. And it looks like the market should have been rallying from that, but he's very hawkish in what he said. He said that he was still going to be able to raise interest rates going into next year. A lot of people are afraid, are we going to have a hard landing? Are we going to have a soft landing? Are we in a recession? Personally, I already think that we are. But what he is doing is shrinking the economy, but there's a lot of other underlying factors in regards to why he's still remaining hawkish in the market. And I don't think the market likes that, and they're responding. As a matter of fact, let's get into the software. Here's the VectorVest composite. Yesterday, we finished with a down day. Today, as I record this video, a bigger down day today, breaking through a level of support. So why, Glenn, are you asking us to think about buying stocks long, even if they do pay a monthly dividend? Because that monthly dividends are normally paid quarterly. And in these stocks that I'm going to show you, they pay monthly. So once a month, 12 times a year instead of 4 times a year, you get the benefit of reaping the rewards of dividends on these stocks. So even in a downtrending market, these stocks could help to absorb some of the downside with the dividends that they pay out. Now, at some point in time, you've got to make the decision. Is it worth it for me to still connect or collect the dividend on that stock while my stock's price is still going down tremendously? So I will put this out there. Even if you're in a stock that pays dividend monthly, you still want to look at the stock and trade it as if you are trying to hold the stock long-term and use your stops. At some point in time, the return on investment may not be worth the dividend. And if that's the case, when that happens and you stop out of that stock, go find another monthly dividend payer to take its place. But if you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to shore up your portfolio, even using those dividend paying stocks, and a bonus on what to do to make sure you solidify your portfolio. All right, let's get into the viewers tab and let's talk about the stocks that I have. No news. All right, no news. We have a watch list of stocks within the VectorVest software called monthly dividend payers. I've gone through and I found 5 that I think that you need to keep on your radar that do well. As I look at this group of stocks, PBT, energy or oil, EFAS, that is a ETF, another energy ETF, another energy stock, and then an ETF on the S&P 500 that pays dividends as well. All of these pay a monthly dividend. You get paid a dividend every single month. Now, as I analyze these stocks, looking at the relative values, overall, the group of stocks has good upside potential. The safeties are below 1, so this makes this more of an aggressive play of stocks. Relative timing tells me that all of these stocks as a whole are up. They're in an uptrend. They've got a VST of 1.21, which is good when looking at over 9,000 stocks. Positive earnings growth, positive earnings, and this is what's important to me. As I'm looking at dividend paying stocks, look at the dividend yield on these stocks, 5.83. I talked to my good friend Jim Penn and I said, I know you're the manager of retirement services, and I know you deal with a lot of dividend stocks. What's a good dividend yield? He said about 3. Look at this group. Is sitting at about 6, almost 6 for a dividend yield. When you look at the dividend safety, above 50. So I feel comfortable in bringing these stocks to your attention. Good dividend yields, good safety, and the YSG, which is our master indicator for dividends, is above 1 as well. So I feel really comfortable in these stocks. All 5 of these stocks are, let's go make sure I'm streaming right now. All 5 of these stocks are buy recommendations. All I'm going to tell you is take a look at the graphs before you buy into them. But overall, 2 of them have CIs above 1, which means that they have good price growth persistence. And as I mentioned down below, everything else. So let's scroll this all back. These are stocks that pay a monthly dividend. I need you to keep these on your radars. And again, it's a creative way of making money in a downtrending market. But wait a minute. The market is downtrending. How can I better shore up this portfolio of stocks? I'm glad you asked me the question. How about taking a look? This is my bonus for you. Taking a look at contra ETFs. And here we are on a day like today when the market is down. These are rocking and rolling. So this is a great way to not only look at the monthly dividend payers, but if the market is going down, look at some really good contra ETFs to back this all up together. So on a day when these stocks are going down, even though you're still getting the monthly dividend, how about soaking up some of that downplay with contra ETFs like SOX, HIBS, Yang, NRGD, DRV. Look at all of these stocks rock and rolling. Now, they're sell recommendations. Why? Because the market was going up. As the market is coming down, these are going to start changing from sell to hold to buys while you're still holding stocks that are paying a monthly dividend. You put the combination of these 2 together, I think that in this downtrending market, you're going to make money on capital appreciation, whether it's on the stocks paying dividends or the contra ETFs, and you're going to make money on the monthly dividends. You put that both together, I think that you're going to set yourself up for a great opportunity to make money in the market, even if we have a nice down year next year. You hear me say nice? Well, if the market goes down because of the atmosphere of the market, I think I'm helping to set you up for good opportunity. Because even if the market does go down, you're going to have good up opportunities. Those stocks paying the dividends may have an opportunity to go up in price, and you're still making the dividends on those. And when that happens, then those contras are going to get hurt. So no matter what you do in either one of these situations, still have stops, whether it's on the contras or on the monthly dividend payers, to make sure you capitalize as much as you can. But I think putting the combination of these 2 together sets you up for a nice opportunity to make money no matter what the market throws at you. Remember, here at VectorVest, folks, we do the work, you reap the rewards. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to put some comments in there to let me know what you think about these stocks. And then most of all, share this content. Folks, we are trying to go into 2023 and grow this channel exponentially. And the only way we can make that happen is with your help. VV Nation, I need you to stand up and stand out. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here from VectorVest. And guess what? We're going to Tampa. That's right, January 6th through the 7th of 2023. Absolutely, we're going to be there live, and we want you there too. So what's going to happen? You're going to get an opportunity to meet and interact with VectorVest instructors. You're going to receive a physical copy of the course workbook right then and there. You're going to enjoy a continental breakfast each and every day and have a served lunch as well. We're going to have a little bit of fun, and we're going to have a cocktail party reception on Friday. You're going to receive access to the full recording of the event. Folks, you need to go to www.vectorvest.com/Tampa to go there live. And then if you want the live stream, which is free, you go to www.vectorvest.com/stream. Folks, we want to see you there, and it's going to be a great time, but we get to meet in person. So you don't want to miss out, because the price is going to go up quick. So you want to take advantage of it as soon as you can. See you there.